Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing well, and today is 25th of July 2019, and here I present you the analysis for today by GTCMarkets.com. I'll start with the pair AUD-SWISI and I'll let you know what other options do we have. First of all, I'll let you know that this pair has been making a formation of double top. You can have your view over here. This was the previous supply zone over here, and then we got the supply zone over here. Then we had this decent breakout towards the upside, and if you draw your fibs, you can clearly have a look that this was our breakout zone somewhere over here. If the pair had broken towards the upside, then we would be in a buying position. But what happened? The pair has broken towards the downside. And on the other hand, as you know, Swissy yen and gold are considered as safe haven, and they will gain their strength. So what happens now is we are in a double top formation and we have this much of space to be covered. What options do we have? I'll use the main trend, the combination of 200 period moving average, and what options do we have? To come towards the downside, let me move this. This is the most recent demand area we have got over here. If you break below this demand area, then we can expect the market to move downwards, further downwards. On the other hand, if you want to make a movement on a regular or a must basis, what options do you have? Why don't you move towards the H1 time frame? Move towards the H1 over here, and then look for your ranges. Once you are in your ranges, if you want to go in a selling position, it's better to sell at this place. Let's say in the morning, if the pairs come up like 19 pips, this is a good place to sell. As you can see, it will be in consequence or in the confluence of this 200 period moving average as well. So you can target towards 23 pips or 52 pips. So better off to be a seller of this pair. The next one is CAD-SWISI. Let's see what we have in the CAD-SWISI. This one. Okay, see what's happening in CAD-SWISI. It has already broken the weekly low weekly low candle. I'll just show you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this was the weak candle and it has broken the low of the previous candle. And what happens now is the CAD-SWISI, we have a no demand supply, no demand area over here in the CAD-SWISI, that is over here, and we are already below the 200 period moving average, and you can consider this area as a great supply zone over here, like this one. See this one, then this one over here, and even the demand has been broken as well. A couple of days ago I have told you the setup. What happens now? If you want to enter in this area, you must draw your Fibonacci from this place and wait for the breakout of this level, say like 19 pips. If you have a break below this 19 pips, you can expect the market to fall downwards. Or if you want to take an urgent selling, then it is better to look for your ranges, come into H1 and draw your fibs, and then come into this selling zone over here, say 20 pips or 18 pips from now, and then come into a selling. This will be a good place for you to come into a selling rather than just waiting for a breakout towards now. Or remember, keep in your mind, always sell high and buy low. This was for the CAD-SWISI, and now I'll move towards dollar CAD. And what options do we have? Dollar CAD has already broken the high of the weekly candle. Okay, you can see this over here, and it has broken the high of the VSA as well. Let's see. I'm in the USD CAD. Remove this. Here's what USD CAD is doing. This is our supply area here. I hope you guys can see this one. I'm drawing it very slowly. This is our supply area over here, and this is our demand area over here. Okay, so what's happening now? It has broken towards the upside. See this one? It has broken towards the upside, and on the daily chart there is a buying VSA. Look at this. Let me show you. See this setup? This one? It's going up. Now what do we do? What do we do over here? If I'll come fundamentally, then I will not be a buyer because I know dollar is going to face some trouble and Canadian dollar will be stronger. But if I will come only towards the technicals, I will wait for the breakup of this level. If I get a good breakout, or let's just show you, I'll wait for a ABCD pattern, A leg, and then I will wait for the retracement to at least 76%, somewhere over here. Okay, if I can get a retracement over here, then I will plan my entry for a buying zone. Okay, or if you're an aggressive trader, you can obviously buy from here as well. The better option, the fundamental option, will be towards the selling side. And now for the last one is dollar yen. What happens in the dollar yen? There is no demand area over here. You can see this one. Look at this. This is the supply from the no demand area, and this is the support or demand from the no supply area. What happens now? Break above or break down, market will move in either direction. So technically this is a two-sided movement, but fundamentally if you have a selling position over here, that will be more accurate and more appealing than the buying zone. Okay, this lecture for today, or this tutorial, or this analysis for today was conducted or is conducted by GTC Markets. If you guys love our services, you want to join us, just drop a message and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Stay tuned for the Urdu analysis coming in a few minutes. Thank you.